Hello, how have you been? I hope everything is great with you. Anyway, I hope you had a fabulous week. For me, I had a great week. I don't know about you, but I've seen this meme that is going around saying that I don't want to step out of the house because the best thing doing is staying in the house. You do not spend any money. That does not work for me. In fact, the more I'm in the house, the more I'll spend because first I'll get lazy to cook because I will start maybe reading, doing my thesis, watching Netflix, or researching for an article. Then I'll be too lazy to cook. Then from there, I will be reach a time and I'll be like, okay, I need a break. Then I'll be like, okay, why do I do my break? Facebook, I'll take Insta, I'll take all the social apps. I'll check them. And then when I'm in Facebook scrolling, I'll see an ad. I'll be like, oh, I love that bag. Oh, I love that shoes. And that's what happened yesterday. I sat on my computer, I did everything. I was about to start my thesis, and then I was like, okay, let me just take a small break, and then I will just come back. Yes, I did come back and finish, but I also ended up getting something, and today that's what I will show you. So, if you're in Qatar, you can contact this company called SG Qatar. For me, I felt that their dupes are really good based on what I got. I cannot speak about the others because I just got the Christian Dior bag, but based on the material and based on that, that is good. I also did get their shoes, but let's first start with the bag. I put it here because I don't have space. And I like this is the bag. Here's a strap, the standard strap. It's like that. And then the front is that. As you can see, it's written Christian Dior. And they put furs. I like the material is a bit nice. The stitching for me, I found it to be a bit great. The size is okay. I think it's either 22 or 24, so it can fit everything on mine, especially of late. Okay. Inside, uh, it comes stuck. That is the inside, as you can see. So basically, it can fit everything. It can fit everything. When I'm going to the office, I have so many, I cannot just sit going for a date. So that is the first one. The second one is the shoes. Okay, I did like them in the picture, but I don't know. I'm having a problem with these shoes because even the sneakers I had, which genuinely I bought from a genuine seller and they were very expensive. I always find those sneakers to be very uncomfortable. So now I'm using them just to go to the hypermarket or to do short errands and then come back to the house. For long distance where I require walking, I do not have them. So I got these Louis Vuitton shoes. But I measured them in the house. They were not that comfortable. So I'm debating whether to wear them today and check out because I'm going to the mall. There will be a bit of walking because I'm going to look for some stuff I really need. Like I mentioned before, my clothes are not fitting. And I cannot realize that because I've joined the gyms, I might lose weight very fast because this was weight gained. But I will go look for some office coat that when I do actually eventually lose weight, I can wear them as a court dress, something like that. So I want to go like get the biggest size ever. And yeah, so for this, maybe I'll put a comment later, but for now, they're like 50-50. Yeah. So the dupes, I don't think people have mastered how to make the classic dupes for the shoes. Anyway, if you have any other suggestion, let me know. And I will see you on the next one. Yes, I'll have one unboxing video, actually two, because one is my Valentine's present for myself, and the next one is something that I really wanted. And I'm just saving for it because it reaches a point where I have to balance between my love for dupes and investment. Have a nice weekend, and I will see you later. Bye bye.